Now we feel proudness. We are Indian. So in India, what are all this? India ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ? Let's we read. Our country India. India is a part of Asia. It is the 7th largest country in terms of area and second most populated country in the world. India, it is come to Asia. In the previous class I told you na where India is located. India is located in Asia, south of Asia, and it is the 7th largest country, and it is the 7th largest country in the whole world. Okay children, and the second populated means population heavy ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಜನರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು it is the second populated country in the whole world. More than 125 crore people live here. India is one of the most beautiful country in the world. Here more than 125 crores, no, not 1000 crores children. Their peoples are living in India, and India is the most beautiful country also in the whole world. Look at the map of India. It is surrounded by sea on 3 sides. The Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Great Himalayas are the northern of India. Here, look at the map here. This one is the India map. You already learned what is a map. A drawing of our country shape. It is called a map. So this one is a map. Here is the blue color is mentioned. These all are the ocean. Ocean means sea. Ididella neeru blue color nalli. Here, see here in the west, in the east side Bay of Bengal, in the west side Arabian Sea, in the south side Indian Ocean. These 3 oceans are the big oceans surrounded by water. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ the surface of our country is not same everywhere. Some of its parts have mountains, while some are plains. Some of its parts have rocky land, while others have sandy land. Thus our country has mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts and island. Here in India also they having not same place. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಭೂಮಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಕಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ಲು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಮರಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಭೂಮಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೈನಿ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರೈನ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಜಮ್ಮು ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ್, ದೆನ್ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ, ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ always rainy and always we feel cold there. Okay children, here all some plains are there, plateaus also there, mountains also there, and island also there. Mountain, very high hills are called mountains. A chain of mountains form a range. All along the north are the Great Himalayas mountain ranges. Here is the mountains also there. In the previous class I told you Himalayas. Himalaya is the very highest peak in whole world. Okay children. Here is the north side is the mountains. The mountain ranges means a row of mountain is called the ranges. It is the highest mountain range in the world. The highest part of Himalayas are always covered with snow. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. The Himalayas mountain, see this one is the Himalayas mountain. It is always covered with snow, white ice. I told you na, white ice, snow. It always covered with snow. It is the highest peak of world. Not only India, it is the highest peak. Peak means idu highest ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎತ್ತರ. It is 8000 something feet is there. Okay children. many the big river like the Ganga, Yamuna, Sutlej and Brahmaputra originated from these mountains. Here is some rivers are originated. What are those? Brahma, Ganga, Yamuna, Sutlej and Brahmaputra. They are originated. They are flowing from the Himalayas mountain. Range means a chain of mountain, row of mountain. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. As the snow melt, this river are fed and keep flowing down to the plains. The lower slope of the Himalayas are called Teri. Here snow is there na? Snow means white ice. If heat will come, they melt. If snow melt, what will become? It will become water. So water agi they flow from by river. Okay, river agi flow agi. Here cultivation means what? Agriculture. ಆ ನೀರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ agriculture ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So here we call Teri. In the southern part of mountain. It is covered with thick forest. The central and southern part of India have low mountain ranges called the hills. The Vindhya and the Satpura ranges are in the central and the Nilgiri hills are in the southern part of our country. Here Teri, here the southern part Himalaya. Here so many plants are there. The forest, have you heard forest or have you seen any forest? Forest ಅಲ್ಲಿ so many plants ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So here so many plants ಇದೆ. There we call the Teri. Okay children? Here Nilgiri hills also there and Vindhya and Satpura. Nilgiri and Vindhya and Satpura hills are there. And then Betta, Nilgiri Betta anta. You heard na Nilgiri Betta? Illai Himalaya hatra ide. So in the next class I will teach you remaining lesson. Okay, bye children, thank you.